check out what we have here. Now, it comes with two of these transmitters. I've taken the opportunity to go ahead and wire one in already into our rig, so we won't have to go through that. But it basically just hooks to your 12-volt power supply, and this is a signal booster from your actual sensors that are on your tire to the receiver in the truck. So it comes with that. It comes with the camera. We already have a camera, which is this exact same system. We won't have to change that. We'll just have to pair it. Some mounting things here, as all of these Haloviews come with, and then our screen and receiver. Again, this is the TPMS version, so you can see it says TPMS up there. Looks exactly like our BT7 screen, except the TPMS right up at the top. Digging in here a little more, you can see the antennas, the wiring, all the different cables and stuff that comes with it, batteries for your transmitters, all kind of goodies. And then of course the actual transmitters that go on and sensors that go on your tires. But that's what the system comes with.